Nico. Pop. Yes, D. Yes, siya. Go sa dili pa yes siya. Go for me. Go mo sa dili pa sa go for me.
Again, good morning team. We're here to decide the Metro Manila lunch of our new Pinoy lunch plan. We've collected months of market data, but how percent it will make or break our lunch plan.
Mart restaurants, we sold 3,200 packs in Quezon City, 2,850 in Makati, 1,900 in Pasay, then 2,500 in Mandaluyong. 18 to 24-year-old boats, 4,100 packs. Then sa 25 to 34 years old boat, 3,000 packs. Then 35 above boat, 1,350 packs. Cheese flavor sold 3,500, adobo flavor 2,700, ubi flavor 1,850. Testors reported 25% repeat buyers in QC, 18% in Makati, 12% in Pasay.
Which area has the highest demand per store? How do you prefer the insurance?
This out there with our data tools and we did with our market research and data admin assistant.
Good morning everyone. I am market research lead. So our market research has been digging into the data it looks like our target audience is all about convenience, sustainability, and they willing to pay premium for our products that are eco-friendly and make their lives easier. We will also see a surge of interest for the product that promotes wellness and self-care. Our insights suggest that we can position our brand as a leader, sustainable, convenient, and wellness-focused product beyond something big. Thank you.
Good morning guys, I am the finance officer of this company. The bar chart shows focusing on cheese and adobo flavors. Will give us the best ROI and we can allocate 60% of our budget to this tool.
So I am the social media manager. Impulse buyers make up 40% of our digital ads should target high foot traffic areas, which the city data in the table highlights.
Place more displays near checkout counters in QC stores. The data proves that we're impulse buy shopping most.
Good morning everyone. Product development lead the sales. Now we see who has the richest potential. We can prioritize the increase. Now we see who has richest potential. We can prioritize and increase with more than 35 plus customer instead of the schooling it everywhere. And that's all.
To wrap up, numbers alone can't guide our lunch, but tables, bar charts, and pie charts turn scattered data into clear plan. They help us focus on the right flavors, areas,
Number